So we are going to start a new chapter today, which is coordinate geometry, and it is chapter 25 in book 1. So the first thing we're going to look at today is the formula of the midpoint, and we're going to get the midpoint of a line segment. Okay, so the formula for this is x1 plus x2 over 2, comma y1 plus y2 over 2, and that formula is in your log tables, page 18. Okay, so you need to get used to using your log tables, so get them out and make sure you can find that formula, the midpoint formula. So the first example I have here is A. So it says A is 1 minus 2, B is minus 3, 4 are 2 points, find the midpoint of A, B. Okay, so the first thing I do is, here's my solution, I write down my points A and I write down my point B. Okay, I need to label my points. Okay, so I'll get a different colour pen and I label A x1, y1, x2, y2. It does not matter which point you label x1, y1, you'll get the same answer. But what's really important is that you label it x1, y1, x2, y2. Some people make mistakes and they say x1, x2 and then y1, y2. They're two separate points. It's always going to be x1, y1, x2, y2. Then I sub in. Okay, so my formula up above was x1 plus x2. So x1 is 1 plus x2 is minus 3 all over 2, comma, I have y1 which is minus 2 plus y2 which is 4 all over 2. So 1 plus minus 3 gives me minus 2 over 2, comma, minus 2 plus 4 gives me 2, that's 2 over 2, and then I get my solution. So minus 2 divided by 2 is minus 1, and 2 divided by 2 is 1. So the midpoint of A, B is minus 1, 1. Okay, then I have another example here. So it says A is 1, 3, C is 2, 5 are 2 points. Find the coordinates of the point B if the midpoint is C. Right, so I'm given 2 points, I graph this out. So remember when you're plotting points, okay, so 1, 3, you're starting here, you go in the door, up the stairs, that's 1, 3. And for B, we don't know that yet, we're trying to find it, but we know C, my midpoint. Okay, so C is in between 2 points, and I have 2, 5, so I go in the door, up the stairs, okay, to 2, 5. Right, I've obviously already filled out this question because I have it done, so that's where B is, but really all I should have is this here, and I'm told that C is my midpoint, so it's in the middle, so that means my B has to be somewhere out further here. Right, so what I do in this case, I can't use my formula because I already have the midpoint and I'm looking for the other point on the line. So I have A is 1, 3 and B is 2, 5. Okay, right, so this here, so if you look here, along your horizontal line in your plane is always your x-axis, and then your vertical line is always your y. Okay, so this is your x, this is your y. So in this case, A, my x is 1, and in C, my x is 2. It's increased by plus 1, so how I got from 1 to 2, I added 1, okay? And then for y, so in A, my y is 3, and in C, my y is 5. To get from 3 to 5, I increased by 2. So then to go from, that's from A to C, to go to B, I need to increase my x by 1, and I need to increase my y by 2. Okay, so I'm looking at this point. Okay, so 2, I increase my x by 1, I get 3. I increase my y by 2 and I get 7. So the point there, B, is 3, 7. So I always start here at 0, 0, and I go in the door to 3, up the stairs to 7, that's B, and I have it plotted there. That's the point B that I was looking for.